Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be creating a small .NET Core application in which we'll be connecting to Redis. One thing to note here is that Redis don't officially support Windows. So to install Redis for Windows, we can go to Microsoft Archive repository on GitHub and download a stable version of Redis from there. You can install the zip as well as MSI as per your convenience. We'll be installing an MSI for this video demonstration purpose. Once MSI file is downloaded, you click on it and install the Redis. You can choose the path where Redis can be installed. Once the Redis is installed, you can go to the path where you have stored it and check. All you have to do is to start the Redis server. You can check whether your Redis is working or not using the Redis CLI. You can type a simple command: get test. Sorry. So you can see our Redis is working. I just set a key with the name of test with the value of test, and then once I get the key, I get the results. So that means our Redis installation is working. Now we'll go to the Visual Studio. In Visual Studio will create a new .NET Core application. Go to the project. We'll select .NET Core console app. We'll name the app as Redis connection. Once our application is ready, now we need to download some external dependencies to connect with Redis. For that, we'll right click on the project name. We'll go to manage NuGet package. In browse, type Redis. You'll see a few of the packages that you can use to connect with Redis. I personally prefer Stack Exchange. It's widely used to connect with Redis for C# applications. Click on it, install it. It will take few seconds to install. So Stack Exchange is installed. So all we have to do is use it and make a connection with Redis. So we'll use a built-in class connection multiplier. Sorry, to use service stack exchange.redis. Redis con. We'll put the Redis IP here. Currently, it's running on my local host, so I'll mention it as a local host. Then we use an interface, built-in interface I database. And then we'll use Redis con dot get database. So as you'll see, the definition of this says obtain an interactive connection to a database inside Redis. This will find the Redis database for us. Now we can set a string using db dot. You see the strings various method here. We use string set to set a string. We'll name the key as foo and we'll give it the value as bar. This will set a key with the name of foo uh, and the value as bar in Redis for us. So string.set will do that. Now to fetch the value, uh, we can use so we'll fetch the value in sort of string val equals to db dot string get method will fetch the value keys for you from Redis. Just name the key, display what result it fed. We'll say uh, we'll print it in the console. We'll use console.read key so that I'll be able to show you the output. We'll run this. So here you see it fetches the value of key foo for us, which is inserted as bar. We did that. We set the key and we got the value of the key.